Huh?
And it's time for
What the?
MLP toy review video. Oh, wait. Hang on. And it's time for another MLP toy review video. And what we have today, we have some good news and some bad news. Good news is we have some MLP merch of the Student 6. We finally found these. But the bad news is
they're mashups, so we'll only get 2 characters.
So these just showed up at our local Walmart. These are the
what the hell is this?
Operation strip here.
But you know,
and we have
Gallus the
Gallus.
What the is that mean?
1 to 10 and squishiness.
Well, like the bottom, you know, is really rigid, so it'll stand.
Wait,
like,
what?
Look at the head.
So pretty much like all the MLPs.
Yeah. There's a little goober right here. Oh, it looks like its head's gonna come unglued. Be careful with this head. Looks like his head is glued on separately.
I can't believe this. I am not a toy. I am a space ranger. Oh no! No, no, no! No, 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 no! This cannot be happening! No, no, no!
I told you! Lightyear! I told you! Toys don't fly! Action figures don't fly! Dolls don't fly! And you can fly! You should have listened to me in the first place! But no, you would be disobeying.
You're right. I'm sorry, Woody. I can't fly. I am just a toy. I can't.
And I'm sorry for what I did for flying because I I'm a real space ranger. Well, I don't accept your apology.
You admitted you're a toy. If you realize you were a toy to begin with, we wouldn't have gotten into this mess. See you later. Lightyear.
And I hope Annie removes you from your favorite toy. Well, I'm done.